Welcome to Rome Tips. If you're enjoying this content, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. What follows is my personal experience using Rytr.me. Rytr.me is an intriguing AI writing tool designed to streamline your content creation process. Leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, this platform can generate a variety of text formats, from blog posts and articles to social media captions and even song lyrics. Its user-friendly interface makes it accessible to writers of all skill levels, whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out. One of the key advantages of using a tool like Rytr.me is the significant time savings it offers. Instead of spending hours agonizing over the perfect wording, you can quickly generate multiple variations of your text and then refine them to perfection. This allows you to focus your energy on the creative aspects of your work, like developing unique ideas and crafting compelling narratives. The platform supports a multitude of languages and offers various tone options, enabling you to tailor your content to specific audiences and purposes. Want a professional tone for a business report? Rytr.me can do that. Need something more casual for a social media post? It's got you covered. This adaptability is a significant advantage for content creators who need to produce diverse materials. While Rytr.me offers a powerful and convenient solution for content generation, it's important to remember that it's still a tool. It's designed to assist and augment your writing process, not replace it entirely. The generated text may require some editing and fine-tuning to ensure it aligns perfectly with your vision and style. Think of it as a collaborative partner, offering suggestions and helping you overcome writer's block, but ultimately leaving the final creative control in your hands. So, if you're looking for a way to boost your writing productivity and explore new creative avenues, Rytr.me is definitely worth checking out. It's a valuable tool that can help you generate high-quality content quickly and efficiently. Remember to experiment with the different features and find what works best for you. As with any tool, practice makes perfect. Be sure to explore the link in the description below.